Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Sora to generate the image for free. How to do that and where can we find the Sora? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. To access the Sora, here I have try to access the ChatGPT first, and of course don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys. And this is the usually the homepage when you open the ChatGPT, and don't worry because you don't have to upgrade it to become the ChatGPT Plus. So if you direct your cursor into the left section, you will find the Sora here. And after that, as you can see, and surprisingly that this Sora AI will give you the chance to generate the image and also the video, guys. And these are also the several creations from another users and also the video that has been generated from the another users, guys. And also these are the library that contains about the media, or this my media folder or menu is the place or section that will give you that saving that is saving your picture or video that you have generated before. And also you can see the favorite when you like or give mark the picture from the another user as the favorite things. And if you would like to upload it, then you can click this. And for this trash is the folder that save about the picture or video that you have generated before and you have deleted, so it will be saved here. And if you would like to make the folder, then you can click this. And for example, I would like to generate a picture, so I will click this image. And after that, you can put your prompt here. For example, I will put this prompt about the cat sitting on the throne with a crown, and the picture is shown in 3D realistic view, and the cat it has the gray fur and also blue eyes. He sits there while the in the bright night sky with aurora like in the North Pole. And after that, you can simply click this create the image, and after the several minutes the picture is will get the or you will get the notification here about the activity, and this is the picture that has been generated, guys. Or if you miss the notification, don't worry because you can go to this my media, and this is the picture that has already generated, guys. As you can see that this picture is really beautiful, but I do still recommend you to always learn about how to create the prompt properly, so the picture will also following your requests and the picture that you would like to present, guys. And if you would like to download it, then you can click this download, and after that it will officially saved into your device. And if you would like to like give the like, you can click love here, or you can mark this as your favorite, and you can also choose this sharing option if you'd like to share by this link, guys. You can add it to folder, or even you would like to report, you can click this, and if you would like to delete it, then you can click this trash. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this soda because it is very worth it to try. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.